A very warm hello from me, Rutika, and Mike Tyson today. So, today we are going to try out some fun, cute, heatless hairstyles on Rutika's hair, and I'm very grateful and thankful that she's allowing me to do this on her. So, yeah.
I'm happier actually. I just get to have four pretty hairstyles and just
True
sit
that.
through the video. What are we starting with?
So, first, I think we should do a classic Bella Hadid inspired hair look with
Okay.
everything sleek and very 90s. So, I'm gonna try my hand at it. So,
Okay, I'm
no
excited.
judgment. Yeah.
I'm excited. My hair is ready.
So, we are going to start with a clean slate for hair that is creating the base. So, for this, we want a middle partition. Rutika has really thick and really good hair. I wanna have hair like that.
I wanna be her. One day I want.
That's my inspiration. I want to touch her hair like a cutter takes. We're just gonna section some hair from the front and keep them laying out. I think this is pretty good. So for the back hair, all I'm going to do is just take it up really high, little by little. And we don't want this to be a very high pony. Just somewhere in the middle, somewhere right here.
This is so therapeutic. You know, I've never really tried any hairstyles.
Yeah?
Yeah. So many people have asked me like, why do you do your hair so boring every day? It's just
You have lovely hair.
It's either out
Yeah.
or maybe like a bun or something.
So now we are left with some sectioned hair in the front. Now, neatly we are going to just take it back. It's a very easy hairstyle. No wonder Bella does it all the time.
I'm sure she has like 10 people to do it.
Yeah. So over here we can see that we have a very beautiful middle part. Now we are not going to lose that because we sectioned the hair separately. We're just going to take it back and pin it right here. Same with the other one. Now the remaining hair that is left out, we're going to do the same. But we're just going to take it along with the hair that was already here. With the remaining hair, we're just going to tie it around the ponytail. So this is the basic version of the Bella Hadid look. The nice ponytail and keeping the middle partition alive. And it's like a very uplifting look right there. Also, we have hair wrapped around the ponytail, which looks super cute. Now this is the basic one. Now I can show you guys how to build on the same hairstyle with a more snatched Bella Hadid hairstyle look. So this is the same thing. All I'm going to do is remove the section part that I put back, untie and unpin all the sectioned hair that I had left earlier. So now I'm just going to make a very low side partition and neatly take it back. So just taking the hair on the side very neatly. Just gonna recomb the hair and bring it a little front. So this is the look.
This is super neat.
Clean, neat, again very 90s. Now for the second look, we are going to do a top braid, which used to be my college look. If some of you are watching the video, maybe you'll remember. So let's get started with it. We're just gonna take 3 sections of hair, really small, and we're gonna build it as we go lower. After the first 2-3 braids, keep adding hair from the side section, from both the sides, and just keep it tight throughout.
And I'm so excited to see the final look.
So we're done with the look. So this is the top braid look, wherein I have just taken small parts of her hair and braided all the way through the back and brought it till the bottom. So it looks super cute. It's managed. Your hair is not gonna be on your face. You can do whatever you want, and the look is really cute. So do you like the hair look?
I love it. It's so like, it's basic and very cute. Like,
Yeah, you look like a sunflower. Like I'm getting super sunflower vibes.
and your
from
hair
this
won't
look.
come in front.
Yeah, no matter what.
So this is great.
Yeah.
It's great for like, because you build from less to more. Even if you have like fringes or whatever, it's
Everything is taken
very
care
beautifully taken
of. And
care
these
of.
are like a really good look. So now that brings us to our third hair look, for which it's going to, I think it's one of my favorite among
Okay.
all these four. It's
Okay.
very fun. So we're gonna have two ponytails over here and have a bubble,
How cute.
like a bubble look.
Okay.
I don't know how to explain it, so we'll just see. So her hair is sectioned in the middle, and I'm gonna do the same at the back. I'm gonna take all that hair over here and bring it over here.
It's giving me flashbacks of Doja Cat.
Yeah, true. It's very close to the same look.
I'm enjoying seeing myself in these hairstyles. I think I'll put in some effort now and start getting creative with my hair.
So this is a look itself, to be honest, but we're gonna just take it up a notch.
This is how I want
And
to be
create.
every day.
Yes.
I think I'll just look really stupid.
Now we're just gonna add some bubbles over here.
Okay, excited.
Like around this much here. I'm gonna just add a hair tie. So one is done. It's another look.
It just look after look after look. I wish I knew to do this in school.
School would be way fun if it was allowed.
I don't think they would allow such
Yeah,
stuff.
no way.
Yeah, they used to be like so strict. I don't even know for what.
Like, what was the point?
I really don't know.
Our school had the craziest rules. Like, you just cannot talk to guys, and if you would, even if you're in class 11 or 12, the teachers would just come and ask what the matter was about. It was that bizarre. And there was a no hand holding policy, even with girls and girls. So that was like just crazy. These are really important things when you grow up. And we just
Yeah.
all-
Only when you interact with everyone, you become normal.
yeah. And you understand few things, you know.
My school had this weird rule of you can't do one ponytail, you can do two.
Same, that was like a normal. We were okay with that, with the kind of rules we had. That was really
but for
scary.
what?
What was the point? Yeah, true.
And they always wanted us to have our hair plaited.
Same. And they always wanted a middle partition. And even if you had the smallest hair coming out, you would be stopped by the disciplinary in charge. Like, how do we expect people to grow up normal after that?
Done with one side, feeling extremely playful.
I just added rubbers and just extended whatever hair there was. So yeah, now we'll quickly do the
Other
other
side.
side. So guys, the third look is done and I just love it. It's really super fun. Super
I've
cute.
never tried anything like this. This is really, really nice.
Yeah, so these are the two tails, ponytails, and just with some hair section in the front. A super cute look. I think you can wear this with dresses, like a lot of things.
So now we're gonna do the fourth and the final
Final
hair look today.
Which is gonna be a cute bow on top of her head. Super excited for that. So let's get started with it. So for this, no middle partition, you're gonna take all the hair back. I've taken half of her hair. I'm gonna go up and make it into a half ponytail, I guess.
You're really good at this. Like, it's not even hurting, you know. Normally when people do hair, it really hurts. Even normal things hurt. But I'm enjoying.
We are gonna make two sections of the hair that we had. And just decide where our bow is going to be, which is this. So just make it into two parts and have a thin piece of hair just come in front and tie it around, just so the rubber band is hidden. It's 3 in the morning or 4 now, maybe. So the bird says hi.
I think it's 5.
So just take that piece of hair and completely hide the rubber band behind, bringing the bottom hair below and pinning it with the bottom hair so it's secure. So this is the final bow look.
I'm obsessed.
You look like a Disney princess. So we also left some hair at the bottom, so there's more look to the look. Or you can just take all of your hair at the top and make this bow. There are different ways and styles to do the bow, and what we did today, like, I enjoyed a lot. Looks super cute on Ritika. So that was our final heatless hairstyle for today.
We three had a lot of fun doing this for y'all. Hope y'all had fun as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And that's about it. See y'all on the next one.